All right, guys, a little off subject, but not off subject. Current times is what this is, current events, is that somebody's screwing around with drones. I don't know who it is. It could be just the average Joe. It could be the FBI, it could be the government, it could be state and local law enforcement people. I don't care who it is. I'm going to say this. If there's a drone invading my personal space, right? I'm in my vehicle, I'm in my personal space, right? And it's hovering by the side of my window, I'm going to roll my window down and knock it out of the air. If it's hovering over my property to where it's in reach of me, reach of my abilities, my property, right? I will grab a paintball gun and I will shoot it down. Not saying I'm going to shoot down airplanes, because airplanes are not going to be in your personal space, right? So I think there's a lot of people are making videos saying, please don't shoot me down. I'm an aircraft pilot. I'm in my personal plane. You're not flying 30 or 40 feet above people's homes and hovering. So I don't think the public's that stupid, but they could be. Some people don't know the difference between a plane and a drone. Then the government needs to educate these people better, you know? But if it's invading my personal space, you're going to have a problem wherever you are operating it, and I'm going to own somebody's tech equipment. So yes, I will make it come out of the air. I will take my shirt off and I will throw it into its propellers, and I will crash that bitch right on the ground. So if it's invading your personal space, you have every right to protect your personal space. That's just how I feel. And if it's on your property, and I'm not saying if it's 400 feet above your house, chances are it's probably annoying you, wondering what's going on and why, but you really don't have anything to necessarily worry about. I did see some videos on where a drone was firing back and blowing up cars. I don't know if that's real or not, but the tech is out there, people. Don't you be fooled at all that technology is not out there, that they could be weapons of mass destruction. Absolutely could be. But if there's a drone invading my personal space, I'm taking it down. That's just me. I don't care who it is. You're invading my personal space. Why are you coming at me or at my property or near my car? And if you're not identified by the federal government, or they didn't say, hey, you know, we're just sending out drones for protection. They didn't say anything. They're just letting the whole world become unsettled over drone activity. And now you're going to have a mix of people screwing around too with their drones. And it's just taking it to the next level. And it's not what the world needs. You need transparency from your government and state and local law officials. You know, no different than when they open the fire hydrants on your street and you don't know where the water's coming from, and it's coming from, 2 miles away, and you think a pipe burst or something. Typically the water company says, hey, there's alerts. We're gonna flush our drains, we're gonna open hydrants, we're gonna do this. This way the phone's not ringing off the hook, there's no panic, right? People don't know what's going on there. So the transparency part is the problem. It's like, what is going on, why? Now you have people saying they're coming out of the water, they're coming from Mars, they're aliens mixed with government drones. I can only really worry about myself. So I'm just going to, if that was a drone in my personal space, which this is my personal space, that bitch is coming down. Thanks for watching.